Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video, I would like to show to you how to make a product advertising using Canva apps. So first open your Canva and then make a video project. And after that, click the elements and then add a background. For example, I would like to add maybe gradient background. Like this, and then click the videos. And after that, for example, I will try to use this gradient design and then click the three dots button, click the set as a video background, and then you need to decrease the length of the duration from this background. For example, I'll try to edit onto, what do you think? I think 6 seconds is enough. And after that, you need to add another element. For example, I will add a cloud. Click graphic and then add cloud element like this, and just positioning the elements that you are adding onto this background video. Duplicate like this, and after you finish doing it, after you finish doing it, now you can add an image. For example, I will add maybe this. I will add a shoes. I will add this one, decrease the size of it, and then on the image we need to positioning onto the backward of the clouds, sorry. And then I will try to cover this shoes image like that, and now you need to add a text. For example, I will add new product coming. And then like that, move the position of the text here, and then change the font, and I will use, what do you think, I will use this cookies regular. And after that, go back, change the color of it. For example, I will change the color onto this color. Okay, so you finish doing it, click the frame and then duplicate it, and on the duplicated frame, this one, you need to move the object that's covering your product like that, and one more time like that, like that, this one, and we can zoom it, adjust the size of this product, and then move the text onto this side like this. And after you finish doing it, you can add a new frame by duplicate this second frame and then add a description about this product, but I will show you this way only. And then click the plus button, add a transition, don't forget to add a match and move like that, and then click done. One more time, click the match and move and increase the length of the transition like that, and now we can see the result, and it will be look like this. And that's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.